So today we're going to be going over the cosine rule using an example that is shown now on the screen. So in this example we want to find side length AB, and we're giving two other sides and an angle between them. As a result, we know we need to use the cosine rule. So the cosine rule is as follows: a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. So where A is the side length you want to find, B is one of the other side lengths, C is the other, and our angle A is the angle opposite the side length we want to find. And so, as seen below, when we're actually labeling each one of these, so A is side length AB, B is 12, C is 15, and our angle A is 20 degrees. So now we can sub in all of these different values into the equation. So A squared is equal to 12 squared plus 15 squared minus 2 times 12 times 15 times cos 20. This is all done on your calculator to give you a value for A squared. And as seen, A squared is equal to 30.711 and so on. Of course, that's rounded. Hence A is equal to the square root of 30.711. Hence A is equal to 5.54 centimeters, to three significant figures.